Hello guys, Arbab is here. In this video you will learn a setup that happen almost 2 to 3 times in a week in most of the forex pair. The setup's name called ICT power of 3. What is that? See this video till the end. In this short video you will understand this setup and you can start applying on your chart. You will find a range market in Asian session called consolidation. Then it leads to a accumulation where the market maker accumulate the price action and then the distribution in the end of London session or the beginning of New York session. How you will identify these on any pair? For me here you will find this Euro USD dollar chart 30-minute, whatever the time you prefer, no problem. You have to see the only sessions. Go to the indicator tab of trading view and write FX and Asian session range. Okay, once you click that one, the chart look like this, but go to the setting and see for the first 3 column for Asian, London and New York. I did not choose any color, so it's a background, so I only choose the specific Asian range and London range and New York range. For a New York is a red, for a London is blue, and green is for Asian. And I untick the all remaining because I don't need that one. So here we will see a latest week that's going on. If you see here, normally on the day of 7 June Wednesday, okay, 2023, you see here in a London, this green one is a London, okay, oh sorry, Asian range. In Asian range you find a consolidation market. Okay, after consolidation you will see a manipulation. Okay, after a manipulation you see in the distribution in the up to the New York session. Okay, so this is called power of 3. Okay, so there is multiple confluences that why should price come from is going high from here. Maybe there is a order block, maybe there is a liquidity sweep, maybe there is the engulfing pattern. There is many confluences you have to find out and you will get a trade. Okay, so in power of 3 every day you will see a consolidation phase, an accumulation phase, and then a distribution phase. Okay, so if you apply and back test, usually you will get some good trades setups in the coming times. Guys, come to the description of my YouTube, or if you are watching TikTok, please like my TikTok and come to my YouTube channel, and you will find my WhatsApp group of this community where I post my strategy trading setup of gold, oil, GBP, British pound and Japanese yen. That strategy is not for ICT, that is not for SMC, that is based on my strategy. 80% win rate. Once I got 2000 followers, 2000 subscribers on my YouTube and got a good community, I will share that strategy. And I post a free signal here. You can check with your demo account, and if it's work, you can apply. You can use your own live money and you can start earning. Okay, guys, free. Once check, it will not cost you any money. Best of luck.